Hey guys, Robert here. Today I'm going to show you 3 sweep picking licks. And they all use the same technique and the same phrase. It's just the notes that change. Here's the first lick. So I'm playing 3 notes on the G string, starting with the downstroke. And from this note, we're going to sweep or rake across 3 strings. That's the sweep part of the lick. So after we have done that sweep, I play upstroke on the E string, downstroke, and end with an upstroke. That's the whole technique and phrase. And then when the band goes to the 4 chord, I'm changing to playing these notes. And then for the 5 chord,